Thank you very much for having me. My name is Dr. Josephine Etenyi. I'm Director Youth Development in the State Department for Youth Affairs and Creative Economy. And speaking from a policy perspective, I would first want to say that this bill has been guided by the Youth Development Policy 2019, because in the policy there are guidelines that we need to develop an act to anchor youth development in this country. And that's why we came up to develop this youth bill that will be of benefit to the youth of this country. As I continue, I would want to appreciate the efforts and the support by the World Bank. Actually, we are here for this public participation because of the support of the World Bank, and we really appreciate that support. World Bank has supported us through the previous KYOP project, Kenya Youth Employment and Opportunities Project, which just concluded, and they supported us in terms of policy review and dissemination. And now we are in the policy implementation. And for us to implement the policy, we thought it is wise, as guided by the policy, of course, to develop the Youth Act, right? And the Youth Act will go a long way in enabling us to provide the services that are required for the youth in this country. The World Bank again is supporting us in this public participation exercise. Without them, maybe we could not have been where we are. And this exercise is taking place regionally in the 8 regions of the country, where the youth are gathered from different counties, and we ensured that all the 47 counties are represented. Today we have around 140 participants from the various counties, and they are free. They are supposed to be free to give their views so that we are able to gather those views and better the bill. The takeaways that I can give from this bill for the youth, one of them, which is very, very important, is a youth fund that we are coming up with. The Youth Fund is actually going to be a successor to the Youth Enterprise Development Fund, which gives support to youth enterprises and also issues to do with the youth going abroad. But this fund now is going to encompass many of the youth programs, support them, and programs, if I may name a few of them, issues to do with the youth research and development, issues to do with talent and innovation development, issues to do with capacity building for our youth to enable them to get employable skills. And in fact, the Nyota project, which is coming up, is going to ensure that our youth are equipped with employable skills so that they can compete with other youth in the labor market.